From the organizational homepage, select the desired course using the My Courses widget or the course selector icon at the top right of the page. From your course level navbar, select Grades to access the Grades tool. You can also access the Grades tool through your course admin link if you do not have the Grades link on your course navbar. From the Grades tool, select Schemes under the top navigation bar. To review an organization scheme that your administration has created and its properties, click the name of the scheme from the organization schemes list. You can also review which scheme has been set as the default for new assessments, and to choose a new default, click the check marks in the Set as Default column. Once you select the organization scheme, you can now view the name, short name, symbol, which is the symbol or text to be displayed in the Grades tool when a grade has been set. Examples are letter grades, pass-fail, and proficiency. Start percentage. This defines the starting threshold for the symbol to be applied when a grade is set. Color, which allows for color to be displayed in the Grades tool for quickly identifying grade trends. Assigned value percentage. This will define the numeric grade you want learners to achieve when you evaluate them using the grade scheme. To save changes, click Save and Close, or Cancel to return to the previous page. To create a new scheme, click New Scheme. Fill in the scheme details including name, short name, and ranges. Ranges include symbol, start percentage, color, assigned value percentage. Additional ranges can be created by entering the desired number of ranges to be added and clicking Add Ranges. Ranges can also be deleted by clicking the trash icon under the Remove column. Click Save and Close to exit. To copy or delete schemes, select the More Actions drop-down menu to copy existing schemes or delete custom schemes that have been created within your course. Organizational schemes can only be deleted by administrators with appropriate permissions.